cosplay world, generally I find coding wire to be extremely difficult. Especially if you saw the tutorial in which I made that mask that's in the thumbnail. I need to distribute the weight because if I don't, a wire has a good chance of cutting through it or damaging the material around it. And so things like paint seem to be much more easily damaged than the wire itself, especially if it's in a scenario where it's in a mechanism or moving around or under stress. And so actually keeping a coating on wire itself can be a bit more maintenance than other things, or at least I need to pay attention to that more than say some of the other sections of it. Now you can go and buy things like coatings for bike brake lines and stuff like that, which would probably last you a bit longer, but I'm not exactly sure how specifically useful they are. Additionally, getting custom colored wire is kind of a pain in the butt. I understand that. There are only a few options, especially when you need a specific size or length. So I recommend a lighter kind of material because the heavier it is, even though you think it's stronger, it's probably going to get scraped off much more quickly. I hope this helps you. Good times to all. Hurrah! If you're looking for cosplay tutorials, I might have a few hundred. Anyway, if that interests you, hit that sub button.